Now let us discuss about how do acids react with metal carbonates. So what happens when metal carbonates are treated with acids? So when metal carbonates are treated with acids, then the formation of a salt with water and carbon dioxide evolution is taken place. So a carbon dioxide gas is evolved when metal carbonate is treated with an acid. So metal carbonates react with acids to give corresponding salt, carbon dioxide and water. So the general form of this reaction is metal carbonate plus acid gives rise to salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. So for example, you can say sodium carbonate, which is a metal carbonate, when reacted with hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, gives rise to sodium chloride, which is a salt, H2O, which is water, and CO2 is a carbon dioxide gas. So the formation of salt, water and carbon dioxide gas is taken place when metal carbonate is treated with acid. So here the reaction is taken place when the metal is displacing hydrogen from the acid. So the metal displaces hydrogen from the acid and it combines with the remaining part of the acid to form a salt, and the displaced hydrogen is reacting with the carbonate ion to form water and carbon dioxide gas. So here the metal, that is sodium, is displacing hydrogen from the hydrochloric acid and it is combining with the remaining part of the acid to form sodium chloride salt, and the displaced hydrogen is reacted with the carbonate ion to form water and carbon dioxide. So we can see here the reaction between sodium carbonate and hydrochloric acid. So when this reaction is taken place, carbon dioxide gas is evolved, and the evolved carbon dioxide gas is tested by a calcium hydroxide solution. So when carbon dioxide gas is treated with calcium hydroxide solution, then it turns its color to milky white. So when milky white color is observed, then the evolution of carbon dioxide is said to be occurred. So another example for the acids metal carbonates reaction is calcium carbonate, which is a metal carbonate reacted with an acid, that is sulfuric acid, gives rise to calcium sulfate and water and carbon dioxide. So here also calcium displaces hydrogen from its corresponding acid with which it is reacted, and it combines with the remaining part of the acid to form a salt, that is calcium sulfate, and the displaced hydrogen is reacted with the carbonate ion of this metal carbonate to form water plus carbon dioxide. So here metal displaces hydrogen from acids to form a salt. So hydrogen in acids adds with metal carbonate to form water and carbon dioxide.